Hi everybody, it is April and I'm in my craft room, and today we're going to make another 3-yard quilt, but this time it's going to be featuring the new fabric line by Tula Pink, Curiouser and Curiouser. Today's pattern is called It's a Snap, and I think it's a good pattern for featuring fabrics that you don't want to cut up into little bitty tiny pieces. Let me show you the design. Boy, if I could hold still, that'd be great. I am not going to lie. When I saw the fabric line Curiouser and Curiouser by Tula Pink online, I thought, you know, I'm not good at it. I don't think I'm gonna have to worry about spending too much money on it. I wasn't impressed. Then I saw it in person. Oh my goodness. It's just, you know, it's Tula Pink. That's all you can say about it. It's Tula Pink. And of course, I had to have it. So, I purchased several colorways, of the different fabrics. Now, today I'm going to use this fabric, which is a gorgeous pink with orange polka dots and roses with dripping paint. So cool. This is going to be fabric number 1. Fabric number 2 will feature the teacups. And I'm using the colorway with the cream in the background so it's lighter and it will pop against that pink and orange. And for fabric 3, I'm going to be using this awesome rainbow colored background fabric. So let's get started. Let's cut some fabric. My fabric is cut, so now let's start doing some assembly. Using one fabric 1 and one fabric 3. Okay. Don't those look good together? Oh yeah. Sew the long edges together and then cut to make unit A. I've sewn strip assembly A and strip assembly B, so now I'm going to subcut them to get my blocks. And I've just put one on top of the other so I can cut them more quickly. If you're not comfortable doing that, you can do one at a time. That is not a problem. This is the beginning of block A, and this is the beginning of block B. Block A is made up of one piece of fabric that's been cut into a strip and a strip set with fabric 1 and fabric 3. So you've got fabric 1, fabric 1, fabric 3. You put these two together to make block A. Block B. This is a different orientation. So here we have fabric 2, just a strip of the fabric, and here we have a strip set consisting of fabric 2 and fabric 3. We're going to fold this over and sew it and you will get block B. There is a third block, and that is block C. Block C is made up of the same strip set that was used for block B. Fabric 2, fabric 3, fabric 2, fabric 3. The only difference is you use all of this strip set and you flip them. Fold this over, sew it together. You do have a seam that meets. This is a 4 patch. So you want to nest your seams, and then you will get block C. I have put block A, B, and C together and pressed it. Now let's put this up on the design wall. So glad I have a design wall. There were a few blocks that I had put up incorrectly. Now I think it's okay. I'm going to sew it. My quilt top is complete, and you're going to need shades to look at this one. Don't forget, this pattern is It's a Snap, and it is from the Pretty Darn Quick 3-Yard Quilt book by Donna Robertson. I tried to be careful. I was off on cutting some things. I think I got cocky and assumed that I knew what I needed to do, and I was wrong. So I have pieces and parts left over. I will be making a pillow or two, but I am very pleased with how it turned out. I used a wider border on the outside in the fabric 3, and because this print is so busy, I decided to use more of a solid for another border around the outside. And this happens to have some orange and some pink in it, so it kind of brought out the painted roses fabric, and that was my plan. So that did work out. Thank you for watching this 3-yard video tutorial. This quilt is bigger than 3 yards because I did use 2 borders that were wider than what the pattern called for. Again, which is a great thing about these 3-yard quilts, is they are so versatile. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you want to see more 3-yard quilt tutorials and any kind of other crafts I might be doing in my craft room. I think that's it. Have a great day, eat some chocolate, and be kind to everyone. Until next time, bye. Do-over. Blah. Full background, and oh my gosh, do-over. It's a blah. Do-over.